As you guys can see, we're doing a 2-axis lathe class. Then we're going into a CAD for CAM class. And then we're doing 3-axis milling. So it's hard to say which day to pick because, again, guys, there is a restriction on these classes. This time round, we have limited seat space, so we are limiting it to one person per company, per class. However, if I was somebody that was doing milling, pretty straight choice, probably want to take the milling class. If I was somebody doing turning, I'd probably want to take the turning class. Now, if you're somebody doing a lot more CAD work, I think a lot of people may be a little disappointed because the CAD class is more of what we like to say is a napkin sketch to a part so that you could then cam, right? This is not going to be assemblies, jigs, fixtures, craziness. It's nothing more than, as we're saying, CAD for cam. Customer comes in with a napkin and what looks like a drawing, and you just need to reverse engineer that into a model so that we can then utilize that in what would be the 2-axis lathe or a 3-axis mill. Now, I did mess that up because it's not necessarily a 3-axis mill class for you guys out there. It will be a 2.5-axis class. Cool.